I've been asked a few times how I remove all the sticky from my gunked up hoops, because I put double-sided sticky tape on them, and that helps helps my hoop to grip my stabilizer. And what I do is I remove the tape just by pulling it off generally, and once I've removed it, I then use this, and it's stickers solvent. It removes all the sticky for getting stickers off of furniture and things like that, and I get that from Aldi's. It's very, very cheap, and a bottle of that lasts me forever. So, and what I do is I remove the sticky. I'm not going to bore you by doing the whole lot, but just so that you get an idea. I take some strong kitchen paper, just put a bit on my paper and just wipe it round, and that will actually dissolve all the gunk and goo, as you can see here, just with a light rub. And once it's gone, I just give it a rinse under the tap, because it's got almost a white spirity smell to it, so I can safely assume that there is some sort of spirit inside it. But it doesn't hurt your hoops, so there's no need to worry about that. And once all my hoops are looking like new again, I then go and put some more double-sided sticky tape on and ready for next time. So I go from this to this. I hope you found this video useful. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to be notified of new videos as they're published, and thank you very much for joining me.